Hi, my name is Arit Esplin, and I am so excited to offer this training to new and aspiring writers. Whether you're writing for your own platform or for others, my goal for you is to become a great storyteller, not just a reporter, and to really help you develop your individual style in your writing skills. The art in writing a great feature story comes from taking those facts and the content from your interviews and all of this dry stuff and turning it into an amazing piece that your readers will care about and will want to read. So if you're looking to develop your own writing style, get ready to dive into this. We're going to learn how to prepare for your interview, what types of questions to ask. How do you conduct the interview so that you can actually get some great answers and content from this person to write your article? How do you turn those facts into your article? What are some things that will really help your writing stand out? Learning how to write a feature story can help you when you're starting your own blog, to submitting to other publications, and even in your own marketing strategies. We're going to touch upon all of these things, and I am going to give you tons of examples and feedback along the way. You're also welcome to post your own content in this course so that I can give you individual personalized feedback. Enroll in this course now, and let's get started.